Some people are really against it because maybe it'll cost them more money as taxpayers. Whereas to me, it seems like getting more people to have access to healthcare cannot be a bad thing.
That it doesn't get bogged down in politics, which it seems to be doing right now. I would like to see affordable health care around for everybody. You know, it costs more money if people don't have health care if they go to the emergency room. It costs everybody more money because then our insurance is paying for it.
I don't know that I have a lot of hopes necessarily, but my concern is that nobody seems to really have a whole lot of information about it. You know, everybody's saying, oh, it's coming, but all the websites that I've looked at are really vague. Nobody has any firm info, and so it seems like nobody really knows what's coming, and that's a little worrisome.
I hope that screening type examinations are more important because catching things early definitely helps. It's going to help lower the cost of healthcare so that rather than having stage 3 cancer, you get them all removed, and that was, $200 procedure versus hundreds of thousands of dollars in medical treatment.
I'm concerned that, businesses are going to not be able to hire as many employees. My father works at a funeral home up in Spokane, and they have cut back all of their part-time employees from 35 hours a week to 25 hours a week to make sure they stay below the definition of what a full-time employee is as far as having, insurance requirements. So, that affected a whole lot of people at that business.
Probably almost all of it is confusing. Well, since it doesn't really impact me too much, I probably haven't followed it as much as I should.
Probably about where people are going to get their private or where are you supposed to go? Is there going to be a building you go to, or you just sign up online, or how do you know what you're covered for? I don't see a lot of information on where that's coming from.
We've got 5 kids, and so the cost is challenging, and so I'm anxious to see, if there's some changes that are going to be positive towards that, or if it's going to be more of the same. And I think it's maybe a source of the frustration is that, as far as I can tell, nothing's going to be different from September 30th to October 1st. So that's probably the biggest challenge. It's just